You did? It's on?
Yeah.
Okay. What time is it? What time is it?
10 seconds.
No.
12.
What?
Oh, hold up. It's 12:30.
All right, it's 12:30 at John Gay's house. You know. No, real rap, son.
Okay,
You know
put
what I
this on
mean?
Facebook
You know
while
what I
you
mean?
doing it.
Yeah, who am I? I'm just saying, today been kind of crazy day. We have a little drama with Shine. Real rap. It's cool though.
Asha.
It's cool. I mean, trying to go dollar bowling tomorrow. Well, actually tonight.
That's not gonna happen
today.
because unless y'all get along.
Maybe we'll just go with me and John. Yeah, I don't know about all that extra shit.
Yeah.
But you know.
If we go bowling tomorrow, I don't really want to go with them.
This is going on Facebook, so I'm gonna need you to shut the fuck up.
Asha,
Okay.
I don't care.
So
We don't get invited
We
nowhere.
went to the Hunter house this weekend, and they brought horse and carriage with them. I'm just no real rap.
Hold on.
They
Real quick.
brought Eminem and fucking goddamn
Gobble gobble.
What's that little Mexican rapper? Yeah, all them with them. It was cool though.
Asha, let's stop it, please.
Okay.